Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to resize product card titles in Shopify. First, access the Shopify dashboard. On the left, click the Online Store button. The Themes page opens. Find your theme. Click the three-dot button. A menu appears. Click Edit Code. The Theme Files page opens. In Filter Files, search for base.cs. You'll see a file named base.cs. Click it to open your store's style script. This contains all your store's appearance code. We'll scroll to the bottom of this script. Just go all the way down. At the last line, which is blank, press enter to add a new line. Next, we'll visit host2b.net. The link's in the description, and that's where we'll find our codes. Simply click the copy button next to the code and it'll be copied to your clipboard. Let's head back to Shopify and paste our code into the blank line we left earlier. After pasting, we'll only change the first line, which sets the pixel size product card. It's set to 18 pixels by default, but you can adjust it as you like. For a larger title, use a bigger number. For a smaller one, use a smaller number. I've kept it at 18 pixels as default, but feel free to change it to your preference. Once you've made your changes, click the Save button in the top right corner. After clicking, your changes will be saved successfully. When you visit our store and scroll to the product cards, you'll see the size has been updated successfully. It'll match the pixel value you set in our code. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.